Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on notifications so that you know when my new video is up. Hello everybody, welcome to a new tutorial. My name is Mint and today we are going to use this beautiful L.O.L surprise that I have here to make the one and only Alice in Wonderland. I love Alice and I can't wait to get started. I hope you love it as well. Let me know in the comments what other characters you want to see next. I am thinking of making anime and gaming characters as well. So what do you think about that? Let me know. For now, let's get started with the tutorial. Love you! With acetone, we are going to remove the paint in her lips. In her eyes, I only want to remove the eyelashes because they are too big. You can leave them if you like. And we remove the eyebrows as well. I had an accident and all the paint came off. Now I have to make the eyes from scratch. But that's okay, maybe it was time to try something new. First, we paint the base of the eyes with white acrylic paint.
Lightning strikes by my window, hits my chest right in the morning. Slept here for days. I felt your heartbeat, felt your mouth.
I draw a line where I want the blue to start, and we paint a small line with a darker blue for the eyes to add a little bit of dimensions to the eyes. Then, with a lighter blue, we paint the rest of the eyes. If you made the first line too thick, this is the moment to cover a little bit of that line and make it smaller. I am adding a little bit of white acrylic paint to add light to the eyes. And we try to mix the color with the blue, but not so much that you can't see the white. Like this, you can see the white, but it is not overwhelming. We paint the center of the eyes black, making a circle. With black acrylic paint and really slow, we paint the eyeliner and the eyelashes. We add 2 white dots with acrylic paint to add life to the eyes. I also painted 2 lines to each side of the eye. What do you think of this look? Do you like it? For being the first time I tried this new look, I really like it. We paint the lips pink. We want to paint her legs white. We paint the dress with blue acrylic paint. We paint the shoes black. She's looking so cute already, I love her. Now for the hairstyle, we need to cut the ponytails. With air dry clay, we start forming the hair. Let's start with the front. With a brush or any tool that you have, make a couple of lines in the hair. We want to give texture to the hair. With a large piece of clay, we make the back of the hair. Super simple. When you finish placing the clay where you want it to be, take the bottom of the hair and point the hair a little bit up like this. We add 2 pieces to each side to make it even cuter. We hide the brown on top of the hair with more clay. If you want, you can also paint it. This is how it looks. I really love how it turned out. With black clay, we place it on top like a headband. We start forming her ribbon. We place the ribbon on top of the headband. We add a circle of clay to the front and we are done with the hairstyle. We paint a circle on the shoes with white acrylic paint. We add the other part of the dress. I made the dress a little bit bigger and added a ribbon. Let's add a second sleeve. We paint the bottom of the dress white. And this is it. So cute! What do you think of this Alice in Wonderland doll? I would love to make other characters as well from Alice in Wonderland. Let me know if that's something you would like to watch. And thank you so much for your support. It means the world to me. If you have any suggestions for future videos, don't forget to leave a comment down below. I always read all your comments. And if you are not part of the Mint family, subscribe to our channel and join us in our adventures. It's free and fun. Never forget that you're awesome. See you tomorrow. Mint out. Bye-bye.
About to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know. About to see the world in action, what we can be, life with no distractions. We'll get away, this is what we will.